Chef Yuki here. I'm a full-time private chef here to share with you my personal recipe. Make some chashu ourselves. Here I have some pork cheek. They usually have a fattier side, but we'll marinate them, roast them, and slice them up for our fried rice and for our wonton noodles. So I have about a pound of pork cheek here. I'll use each pound, I usually use about a teaspoon of salt, a tablespoon of sugar. I'm gonna give it a tablespoon of soy sauce, oyster sauce, and hoisin sauce. A tad bit of sesame seed oil, a little bit of garlic powder, a little bit of white pepper. Okay? That should do it. So we'll let this marinate go. You want to do this for at least like half hour before you roast it. You don't really need a lot of time. This takes maybe 30 minutes in the oven. So you definitely want to get some flavor in there. We'll let this marinate for about 30 minutes. Okay, it's been more than 30 minutes now that the char-siu has been marinating, so we're just gonna roast it in the pan. I wrinkle up the foil like this to make it kind of like non-stick. I don't know if it's nonsense, but you want to wipe off the sauce of the char-siu because the sugar on there is gonna make it burnt. So try to prevent that. We're gonna put it in a relatively hot oven, about 400 degrees. Just gonna bake it till it's cooked. Okay. Yeah, char-siu. This is probably the easiest way to prepare it. Yep, we can just roast it in the oven. Okay, let's take a look at this char-siu. Oh yeah, looks good. Couple more minutes, get it a little brown. Look at that, char-siu. Let this guy cool. Slice it up.
Whew. That was a lot of work, but thank you so much for watching. If you have any comments or questions, please leave it below. I hope to see you in the next one. Peace.
Thanks for joining us today. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe wherever you get your podcasts. If you enjoyed this episode, it only takes a moment to post a positive rating and review. Your support allows us to grow the community and reach more extraordinary people just like you. And come check out the Art of Chef YouTube channel on your next lunch break. We'd love to see you there. Thanks again for listening. See you in the next episode.